Short update at 11 a.m. PST. Melissa looked like it's getting shared again by about 15, 20 knots shear. It should continue allowing this thing to move more and more westward instead of northward, like some of the models, like the GFS says, if it's allowed to be weak. The latest NAC update says it's jogging slowly westward. It should be a lot of rain over the Elms. Has 50-mile-per-hour winds. West at 2 miles per hour, 1,000 millibar pressure. Yeah. Otherwise, we got a system in the East Pacific still has 3070 as of 11 a.m. PST advisory. We can show you this. It's becoming better organized as a decent circulation. West of the Atlantic looks completely. I mean, I wouldn't say completely. I mean, we are watching some convection south of the Cape Verdes, but the main show in this town is this future monster. I mean, the future beast. I mean, I think it's going to become a very powerful hurricane, and that's what we think right now. But things can change. We understand that. Here's 12Z models. The GFS 12Z, which is actually more in line with those models taking it south to Jamaica instead of. I mean, I expect the GFS to collapse into the means pretty soon, to be honest. Intensity models, I almost certainly think this is becoming major in 4 to 5 or 6 days. Um, Pretty likely. Let's see. That's your tropical update.